Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of the last part. So in the last part we have done up to 14. Okay, we have done problem up to 14 and today we are going to discuss the 15th problem. See, here you have given a force field and then evaluate the line integral f dot dr. Okay, along the curve C in the xy plane where y is equal to x cube is given from the point 112 to 28. Okay, see here y is equal to x cube is given. Okay, so to find out f dot dr, what is dr? R is the position vector, right? So here I cap and j cap only we have the component. So this is a two-dimensional position vector xi cap plus yj cap. Then what is dr? Dr is equal to dxi cap plus dy j cap. Okay, so this is xi cap plus what is y? Y is equal to, that is given in the question, right? That is x cube. I can write this as x cube j cap. And when I differentiate, when I find this as dy, so when dr I am finding this, I can write 3x square j cap. Okay, now you can take f dot dr. So integral f dot dr. What is f? F is equal to 5xy minus 6x square I cap plus 2y minus 4x j cap dot dr. Okay, so here we have integral sign dot dr, that is dx I cap plus 3x square j cap. Okay, now you can replace all this y that with x cube. So y is given. Okay, so here you can substitute the, so that is integral, if you substitute x cube here, this is 5x raised to 4 minus, when you take dot product, this will I dot I, that is equal to 1 minus 6x square dx. Okay, plus you can write this as y is equal to x cube. So 2x cube into 3x square. So 2x cube into 3x square, that is 6x raised to 5, right? Minus 3x square into 4x, that is 12x cube. Okay, into again dx, right? So I can write a common dx and then integrate the limit. So the variable is only x now, and you can give x limit, that is 1 to 2. Okay, that is the way. Okay, let us check the answer. So this is the way to do. Okay, yes, here it is given r xi cap plus yj cap and equal to xi cap plus x cube, y is equal to x cube, and dr is equal to dx plus, when you differentiate this 3x square dx, then force field is given here and substitute here. Okay, then this whole y is replaced with x cube. Okay, now if you integrate, you will get, that is equal to, this is ordinary integration. This is 6x raised to 6 by 6 integration. This is 5x raised to 5 by 5. This is 12x raised to 4 by 4. This is 6x cube by 3. Then 1 to 2 limit, you will get 35. Okay, now another question is, if a force field A that is equal to y cap minus xj cap is applied to a particle, then the work done by the force, the field traversing the particle around a circle C in the xy plane with center at the origin, and the radius 1 unit is equal to. So here we want to find this work done. Okay, what is work done basically? So the force field is done. Okay, so actually we want to find integral f dot dr, but the particle is along a circular path, right? So f dot dr along a circular path. So suppose here the theory is, so here a is given, that is how we can represent the position vector. Suppose the particle is here, how can we represent this circular path in Cartesian coordinate system? Okay, see, if a particle position is this, what is its component? I can write this as this is x and this as y. So I can write this, if this is theta, I can write x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. But in the question it is given that it is unit radius is equal to 1. So I can replace all this x with cos theta and y with sin theta, and for a circular track the limit I can taken 0 to 2 pi. Okay, that's on. So you can substitute this here, and dr I can take as dx I cap plus dr I can take as dx I cap plus dy j cap. Okay, so if I substitute this all, you can see this integral, curved integral. What is f? F is equal to y I cap minus x j cap dot. What is dr? Dx I cap plus dy j cap, right? So this is curved integral y dx minus x dy. Okay. Okay. Now I can if I take x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta, so integral 0 to 2 pi, integral 0 to 2 pi. If I take y is equal to x is equal to cos theta, we have taken like that, x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta as unit radius. Okay, so here cos theta, then minus sin theta, right? Cos theta on integration, you will get minus sin theta, right? So y dx. Okay, so cos theta, so here y first, sin theta into dx is minus sin theta, so minus sin square theta will come. Okay, plus here minus, here it is minus, sorry, minus x is cos theta into dy is cos theta, so cos square theta into, so you can change, that's d theta. Okay, so you can take minus sin square theta, integral 0 to pi, so you can go to blackboard. Okay, minus, you can take out, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to d theta, that is equal to minus of, this part is 1 d theta on integration theta 0 to 2 pi, that is minus 2 pi is the answer. Okay, so that's all about the answer. So let me check the answer. Okay, yes, answer is minus 2 pi. Okay, just substitute x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sin theta. Limit is 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now another question is, evaluate curved integral f dot dr where f is equal to x square I cap plus y cube j cap and the curve C is the arc of parabola y is equal to x square in the xy plane from 0 0 to 1 1. Okay, here also the f dot dr force field is given, so y is equal to x square, dy is equal to, you can find out from it 2x dx, r is equal to x I cap plus y j cap, y is equal to x square j cap. So we want to find dr on dr is equal to I cap dx I cap plus 2x on doing x square on doing 2x, so 2x dx j cap. So f I am going to substitute here, this is our f. Okay, that is x square into this f I can substitute here, that is x square I cap. I can find out this dot product first, x, so this is x square I cap plus y cube, y is x square, so x square cube is x raised to 6 j cap dot, what is dr? I can substitute, that is x I cap plus, that is x square j cap. So when I take dot product, what I will get, that is x square into x. Okay, so that is here x square, and here that is here dx I cap, I am sorry, here dx I cap. Okay, so dr, you want to substitute dr, I am sorry, f dot dr we are finding. Okay, so 2x dx j cap, 2x dx j cap. So x square into dx, that is x square dx, x raised to 6, that is x 2 into x raised to 7. Okay, x raised to 6 into 2x. Okay, j dot j 1. Okay, dx, that is 0 to 1 x square 2x raised to 7 dx, which is on integration. This is x cube by 3. This is 2x raised to 8 divided by 8. You can limit, give limit. Okay, so that is equal to 7 by 12. Okay, now this all about this session, and we can have some assignment here. let us have a look for this. A projection of vector A on B, A on a vector B, that we have already discussed yesterday. Projection of A on B is A dot B divided by mod B. We have discussed its theory, and you can do yourself. Okay, you can solve this. So this is when you solve this, you will get the answer. Okay. Now another question is the vector field which is expressed as a negative gradient of scalar field. I already told you, if curl V is equal to 0, then only the V is we can represent a gradient function. Okay, so such a field we can call it as conservative field. That also you know, you can find out the answer. Okay, the unit vector normal to the surface. So this also we have discussed. Unit vector along a surface is equal to del phi dot mod del phi. Okay, so this is the unit vector. So here you have the function. You can find phi as x square plus y square minus z. You can find out unit vector at this point. Okay, so that also that you can do yourself. Okay, now another question is f is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, then its divergence is del dot f is equal to I cap dou by dou x. This is answer is 3. We have done. Okay, so I am not doing. And also another question, phi is equal to yz, then its gradient is, that also you can calculate. Okay, del phi is equal to that is I cap dou by dou x, j cap dou by dou y, k cap dou by dou z. Okay, that you can do. Okay. Now if R is a position vector, then curl R is, div R is 3. What about curl? So R is a position vector. So R is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. What is curl R? Del cross R is equal to, so I j k, that is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, x y z. Okay, so if you do this, I cap into, what is this? If you do this 0 minus 0, so that is 0 minus j cap into, if you do this to this, then also 0 minus 0 plus k cap into, if you do, you can remove this minus this, that also 0. So answer is 0. So, okay, so curl of R is 0 when R is a position vector. Okay, now you have another question here. The value of ABC is such that the f is given. Okay, if you are rotational, del cross f is equal to 0, then you can find out the value. I am not doing this. This also you can do yourself. If A and B is given, then div A dot B. So you can find out A dot B and substitute in the del operator. Okay, that also you can do. If R is the position vector of any point on the surface of the cube of side L, then surface integral of R dot ds. Oh, that is a good question. See, that we can do here. So we want to find surface integral of R dot ds. Okay, for a cube of side L. Okay, see, so this you can do using divergence theorem. What we have studied, divergence theorem, the surface integral of something, that is R dot ds is equal to, what we have studied, that is equal to triple integral, volume integral div dot R dot dv. Okay, if you consider a cube, what is the volume limit? For a cube, all the lengths are L. Okay, so again its parameters, x length is L, y length is L, z length is L. Okay, so I can give this triple integral limit as 0 to L, 0 to L, 0 to L. What is div R? Div R we have already studied. I cap dou by dou x plus j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z dot, what is this R? R is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, right? That is a position vector. When you do this, x dot x into dou by dou x, that is 1, I dot I 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So this I can write 3 into, what is dv? dv is dx. If I consider a small elemental, for a cube volume is xyz, so dx dy dz. Okay, so that is, when you in 3 you can take, when you integrate dx, you will get x 0 to L, y 0 to L, And dz on integration, what I can write? I can write z 0 to L. So 3 into L into L into L, that is 3L cube. Answer is 3L cube. Okay, so that's all about the answer. So let us go to, so this is the answer. Okay, now the last question is the condition that a vector A should be the curl of a vector function is. That also you can do. Okay, so this all about this session, and in the next session we will discuss some more part about this gradient and divergence and the curl operators we can represent in spherical polar coordinates. Okay, thank you.